Hello everyone, now let us discuss about some of the prefixes, suffixes and roots. Now let us discuss the numerical prefixes. The first term is mono or uni, it means one. Example is monocyte or unilateral. Next is bi, which means two. Example is bilateral. Next is tri or three, tided. Next is quad or quadra, which means four. Example is quadriplegia. Next is hex, which means six. Hexos. Next is diplo, which means double. Example is diplopia. Now coming to the surgical procedures, the first term is synthesis, meaning puncture a cavity to remove fluid. Example is amniocentesis. The next term is ectomy, which means surgical removal or excision. Example is appendectomy, which means surgical removal of appendix. The next is ostomy. Ostomy means a new permanent opening. Ostomy means a new permanent opening. Example is colostomy. Next term is otomy, cutting into. Ostomy means new permanent opening. Otomy is cutting into or incision. Example is tracheostomy. Tracheotomy, not ostomy, tracheotomy. Next is oophory. Oophory means surgical repair or suture. Herniorrhaphy is the example. Next is opexy. Opexy means surgical fixation. Orrhaphy means surgical repair or suture. Opexy means surgical fixation. Example is nephropexy. Next is oplasty, means surgical repair. Orrhaphy or oplasty both indicate surgical repair. Example is rhinoplasty. Otripsy means crushing or destroying. Lithotripsy is the term. These are some of the surgical procedures, suffixes. Now let us discuss some of the prefixes. The first term is ambi. Ambi means both. Example is ambidextrous. Ansio means unequal. Example is ansiochoria. Next prefix is dis. This means bad, painful or difficult. Example is dysphoria. U means good or normal. Example is euthanasia. Hetero means different. Homo means same. Heterogeneous and homogeneous are some of the example terms. Hyper means excessive or above. Example, hypergastric or hypertension. Hypo means deficient or below. Deficient or below. Example, hypogastric or hypotension. Iso means equal or same. Example, isotonic. That means it has same tonicity. Mal means bad or poor. Malleus. Megalo. Megalo means large. Megalocardia means enlarged heart. So these are some of the prefixes with their meanings and examples. Now let us discuss suffix. Algia. Algia means pain. Example is neuralgia means nerve pain. Asthenia means weakness. Asthenia means weakness. Example is myasthenia. Emia means related to blood. Example, anemia. Iasis means condition. Amoebiasis. Itis means inflammation. Example, appendicitis. Next is lysis. Lysis means destruction or breakdown. Example, hemolysis. Lytic is the next suffix. Example, destroy or breakdown. Lysis or lytic both indicate destroy or breakdown. Hemolysis and hemolytic. Oid means like. Lipoid. Oma means tumor. Example, carcinoma, adenoma, etc. Opathy means related to disease of. Orthopathy means disease of joints. Ortho means joints, opathy means disease of. So orthopathy means disease of joints. Orachia means hemorrhage. Examples: menorrhagia. Oria means flow or discharge. Example: amenorrhea. Oocyst means abnormal condition of. Example: tuberculosis. Paresis means weakness. Example: hemiparesis. Plasia means growth. Hyperplasia is the term. Plegia, paresis is weakness. Plegia is paralysis. Paraplegia is the term. Hemiparesis means weakness. Hemiplegia means paralysis or paraplegia. Next, apnea means related to breathing. Term is apnea. Coming to the prefixes of directions and positions. AB means away from. Example: abduction. AD means towards. Example: adduction. Ecto or exo means outside. Example: ectopic, exocrine. Endo means within. Endocrine, endoscope. Epi means upon. Epigastric, epidermis. Next, infra. Infra means below or under. Infrastructure. Ipsi means same. Ipsilateral. Meso means middle. Mesoplexy is the term. Meta means after, beyond or transformation. Metastasis is transformation. Meta means it can indicate after, beyond or transformation. The term is metastasis. Peri means surrounding. Example: pericardium. Retro means behind or back. Retroversion is the term. Trans means across or through. Transvaginal. So through vagina. Next, anterior or ventral. At or near the front surface of the body. Anterior or ventral indicates at or near the front surface of the body. Posterior or dorsal indicates at or near the back surface of the body. Superior means above. Inferior means below. Lateral means side. Distal means farthest from the center. Distal indicates farthest from the center. Proximal means nearest to the center. Medial means middle. Supine means face up or palm up. Prone means face down or palm down. Sagittal means sagittal plane. Sagittal means vertical body plane. It divides the plane into equal right and left side. Next is transverse. It is a horizontal body plane. It divides the body into top and bottom section. Transverse is a horizontal body plane. It divides the body into top and bottom sections. Coronal means vertical body plane. It divides the body into front and back sides. These are some of the terms related to directions and positions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for further videos on medical coding and CPC training.